Have you ever wondered if we're truly alone in the vastness of the universe? Today, we might be closer to an answer than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope has just picked up something extraordinary, something that could change the course of human history forever. It might be proof of intelligent life beyond Earth. A faint, mysterious glow has been detected coming from Proxima b, an exoplanet just 4.24 light-years away. This glow is consistent, steady, and doesn't align with any known natural phenomena like auroras or volcanic activity. What's even more intriguing? Scientists believe this glow could be artificial lights, possibly the lights of a distant alien civilization. This discovery raises more questions than answers. Could these lights be the product of a highly advanced society shaping its environment? If so, who are they, and why now? Today, we'll delve deep into these astonishing findings, unraveling what the James Webb Telescope saw and what it means for humanity. But first, let's explore Proxima b. Why is this planet so special? Proxima b has captured the imaginations of scientists and space enthusiasts alike since its discovery in 2016. This exoplanet, orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, is located in the habitable zone, an area where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. In other words, it's one of the best candidates we have for finding extraterrestrial life. At just 4.24 light-years away, Proxima b is practically in our cosmic backyard. For decades, this proximity has made it a prime target for study. But there's a catch: its parent star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf, a star notorious for violent solar flares and extreme radiation. These conditions have long cast doubt on the planet's ability to support life. Yet, Proxima b has continued to surprise us. Despite its harsh environment, it has shown potential for habitability, keeping the hope for alien life alive. And now, with the James Webb Telescope's unparalleled technology, we've taken our closest look yet, and the results are nothing short of mind-blowing. Unlike the Hubble telescope, which primarily captured visual light, the James Webb Telescope uses advanced infrared instruments. This allows it to detect faint emissions, analyze atmospheres, and peer into the farthest corners of the universe. When it focused its instruments on Proxima b, scientists were hoping to find clues about its atmosphere or surface composition. Instead, they found something completely unexpected. A consistent, faint glow emanating from the planet's night side. What's so special about this glow? Its pattern doesn't match anything natural we know. Volcanoes, auroras, and other planetary phenomena create irregular, shifting light patterns. But this glow is steady, resembling artificial lighting, the kind we associate with cities here on Earth. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. If these lights are artificial, they could indicate the presence of an advanced alien civilization, a civilization capable of producing and sustaining city-like structures on a planetary scale. Could Proxima b be home to intelligent beings? If so, what would their civilization look like? One of the first questions scientists have is about the energy source powering these lights. The planet orbits a red dwarf star, which emits less light and heat than our Sun. This means the inhabitants would need innovative ways to generate energy. Could they have developed solar technologies far beyond our capabilities? Or perhaps they've unlocked advanced energy sources like nuclear fusion, antimatter reactors, or even harnessing the energy of their star itself? The distribution of these lights could tell us a lot about the planet's society. Are the lights concentrated in one massive city, suggesting a centralized civilization? Or are they scattered across the planet, indicating a network of smaller settlements? Each possibility paints a different picture of how this society might function, from governance to technology. If these lights are real, they hint at a civilization capable of creating large-scale infrastructure. That suggests not just intelligence but advanced planning, engineering, and societal organization. Here's a chilling thought: what if these lights are the remnants of a once great civilization? Could we be witnessing the twilight of a society that faced extinction, perhaps due to internal conflicts, environmental collapse, or cosmic catastrophes? Alternatively, if the civilization is thriving, what might their technological and cultural advancements look like? If there's intelligent life on Proxima b, should we attempt to contact them? History offers plenty of cautionary tales about encounters between different civilizations. When advanced societies have met less technologically developed ones on Earth, the outcomes have often been devastating for the latter. Making contact with an alien civilization could open Pandora's box. Would they view us as equals, potential allies, or even threats? These are not just philosophical questions, they're practical concerns that require careful consideration. This discovery isn't just about Proxima b. It challenges everything we thought we knew about where life can exist. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in our galaxy, and if life can thrive around one, it vastly increases the number of potential habitable worlds. Additionally, this finding could revolutionize space exploration. Proxima b's proximity makes it an ideal candidate for future missions. Scientists are already discussing technologies like solar sails and fusion-powered spacecraft to make interstellar travel a reality. This revelation has captivated the public like never before. The idea of city lights on another planet has sparked endless debates, speculation, and dreams of humanity's place in the cosmos. From Hollywood blockbusters to scientific conferences, the question of alien life has always been a cultural touchstone. Now, with this discovery, it feels less like science fiction and more like an imminent reality. The possibilities are endless, and so are the challenges. If Proxima b harbors intelligent life, how do we prepare ourselves for the ethical, scientific, and existential questions that will arise? One thing is certain, this discovery marks the beginning of a new chapter in humanity's search for life beyond Earth. Whether it leads to a groundbreaking alliance, a deeper understanding of our universe, or new existential challenges, it's a journey worth embarking on.